Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Zoom easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin the deployment process, ensure you have a Zoom account. Visit the official Zoom website and log in to your account. Navigate to the admin section in the dashboard. Select Account Management from the left sidebar. Click on Account Settings to review your settings. Make sure to configure the necessary meeting settings such as security and recording options. Once your settings are in place, head to the User Management section. Choose Add Users if you need to add new team members. Input the email addresses of the users you want to invite. Select the type of license you wish to assign to each user. After adding users, go back to the User Management section. Check if the users have received their invitation emails. Instruct them to follow the provided link to set up their accounts. For those using Windows or Mac, direct them to download the Zoom client. Access the download page via the Zoom website. Click on the appropriate version for your operating system. Once the installation is complete, launch the Zoom application. Users can log in with their credentials and start hosting meetings. For mobile users, guide them to the App Store or Google Play Store to install the Zoom app. After installation, they should open the app and sign in. To set up a meeting, users can click on the Schedule button. Encourage them to fill in the meeting details like date and time. Remind users to check their audio and video settings before starting the meeting. Finally, provide resources for troubleshooting common issues. This completes the deployment of Zoom for your team. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.